Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is John. Today I want to discuss about the topic sets. It is the second chapter of 10th class maths textbook. What is a set? A set is a collection of well-defined objects is called set. Means in a set there are some well-defined objects. Means set of vowels, set of prime numbers, set of real numbers, set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, like that. The symbol for set is bracket, like stretcher is there. Now we will discuss about the types of sets. First, these are types of sets. First, empty set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, equal sets, equivalent sets, universal set, subset, power set, and there are some other types: disjoint set, intersection of sets, cardinal number of sets. First we discuss about empty sets. See here, empty set. The definition of empty set is a set which does not contain any element is called empty set. The empty set is also called as void set or null set. See here, it is denoted by the symbol only bracket. No, there is no element is there in the set symbol. Examples: set A is equal to set of month containing 32 days. Any month is there with 32 days. No month is there with 32 days. Some months are 31 days, have 31 days. Some months have 30 days. So any month does not have 32 days. So there is no month. Next, number of cars with 3 wheels. Any car is there. Any car does not have 3 wheels. All cars have 4 wheels. So there is no car having 3 wheels. Next, singleton set. This is a singleton set. Singleton set is also called as unit set. Singleton set contains only one element. It is a singleton set is denoted by bracket S. Means in a singleton set there is only one element in a set. For example, number of natural numbers below 2 means only 1. Natural number starts with 1. Below 2 means only 1 is there. Another example, number of whole numbers below 1 means whole number starts with 0. How many numbers are there below 1? 0. So which contains only one element is called singleton set. Next, finite set. See here, finite set. A set is one in which it is possible to list and count all the number of sets. Once again I will read them. Definition: a set is one in which it is possible to list and count all the members of the set. Ante days in a week. For example, days in a week. How many days are there? 7 days are there. Those are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are there. So we can count. This type of set is called finite set. Another example. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It stopped there. Means set A has 5 elements. We can count that. So it is called a finite set. Next type of set, infinite set. This is infinite set. The definition for infinite set is a infinite set is a set whose elements cannot be counted, and an infinite set is one that has no last element. Means we cannot count these infinite set in the elements. The elements of infinite set we cannot count. in the infinite set there is no last number. It will continue. We cannot count that. Means set of natural numbers. It starts from 1 to infinity. We cannot count. It will go like that. Set of whole numbers. We cannot count like that. We cannot count. That set is called infinite set. It has no last element. We see next type of set. Equal set. See here, equal set. Two sets are equal if they both have the same members or numbers. Anything, same element should be there in given two sets. For example, 1, if set A is equal to 1 to 3 and set B is equal to 1 to 3, same number. 1 is there in A and B, 2 is there in A and B, 3 is there in A and B. So A is equal to B. These both are equal sets. Same sets are there. Next, example 2. Set C is equal to 1, 2, 5. Set D is equal to 5, 1, 2. The elements which are in C also there in D. So these both are equal sets. The order in which members at set are written does not matter. Means in C 1, 2, 5 is there. 1, 2, 5 is there. In D 5, 1, 2 is there. It does not matter. We can write reverse or middle of the number but the elements should be there in two equal numbers. In two equal sets. Next type of set is equivalent set. The definition for equivalent set is two sets are equivalent if they have the same number of elements. Means in the two sets, not same elements. In the two sets, they have same number of elements. For example, set A is equal to A, B, C, D. Set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many elements are there in set A? 4 elements are there. How many elements are there in set B? 4 elements are there. So, set A contains 4 elements, set B contains 4 elements. Same number of elements is there. So, these two elements are called equivalent sets. Okay, next type of set is universal set. Universal set is also called as union of set. The definition for universal set is the universal set is the set all the elements under consider in a given discussion. Means A is equal to, see the example down, A is equal to ABC, B is equal to CDE, C is equal to FGH. Means in the universal set the common number should not be written again. It should be written once. We have to write in line. First, set A, B, C. See up universal symbol is like U. U is equal to set of A, B, C is repeating here in A and B also. So we will write only one. The common number should not be repeated. Next, D, E, F, G, H. Means I, J means another. See in the Venn diagram, another in the outside of the I, J is the outside of the sets. So we will write the IJ also. Next type of set is subset. Set A is called as subset of set B if and only if every element of a set A is also an element of set B. We also say that A is contaminated in B or the B contains A. It is denoted by A subset B or B subset A. Means the elements which are there in A is also an element of B. Means for example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A contains elements 1 to 6. B contains elements 1 to 8. Means A subset B. Means the elements which are there in B also the elements of A. Here B contains 1 to 8. The set B is superset, super subset of set A. Next type of set is power set. The definition of a power set is power set of S is the set of all subset of the set S. The power set of S is denoted by P of S. Means if we take example as set A 3, 4, 5. What are the subsets of 3, 4, 5? We cannot take anything 1 and 3 only single digit 3, only single digit 4, only single digit 5, and we will take 2, 4, 3, 4 and another 3, 5 and another 4, 5 and we can take 3, 4, 5. How many subsets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subsets are there for 3, 4, 5. So this is called power set. Next type of set is disjoint set. The definition of a disjoint set is two sets are called disjoint if they have no elements in common. If there is no common elements in both two sets, those are called disjoint set. For example, set S is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and set T is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. There is no common elements. So these two are called disjoint set. See down, the Venn diagram shows the disjoint set. There is no common elements between two disjoint sets. Now cardinal number of sets. The definition of a cardinal number of set is the number of elements in a set. Means if we take one set, how many number of elements is there in a set, that number is called cardinal number of set. Cardinal number of set is denoted by n of a. For example, if we take set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many elements are there in the set A? 5 elements are there. N of A is equal to 5. These number of elements is called cardinal number of sets. Next type of set is intersection of set. Intersection of set means a set A and B. If we take two sets A and B having common elements, which are the common elements in both A and B sets, those are called intersection of set. The symbol for intersection of set is reverse U. Like universal set means like U. Intersection of set means reverse U. For example, if we take set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Again I will tell set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. What are the common elements? 2. Only one is there common elements. What is that? 2. Intersection of A and B is equal to 2. Second example. Set of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Again I will repeat. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Set B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 17. 2, 3, 5, 17. What are the intersection of sets? Means common elements 2 and 3. Intersection of set is 2 and 3. Next we discuss about the Venn diagram. There are different Venn diagrams for different types of set. Now I will show that. Listen carefully. In this disjoint set, there are no common elements. Is there any common elements in between? They will combine in between. So there is no common elements. This is the Venn diagram for a disjoint set. Next, intersection of sets. I said, what is intersection of set? The common elements. See in the Venn diagram first, there are two sets A and B. In the common, it colored green color. So in the middle of the two sets, there is green color. So it shows the intersection of sets. Next, union of sets. Union of set means in set A and B both combines means it union of sets. Both full of two sets combined is called union of sets. See the difference of sets. Sorry, I forgot to tell you the difference of sets. The difference of set is in two sets eliminate the common elements and write the elements of a first element. Means if we take two sets, if there are any common elements, eliminate the common elements and write the first elements of set. Means if we take two A and B set, A contains 1, 2, 3, 4. B contains 5, 6, 4, 3. 5, 6, 4, 3. In A, 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the common elements? 3, 4. Means which is the first element, first set? A. A contains 1 and 2. So we have to draw 1 and A set only. This is the difference of set. If we take B as first, B minus A, if we take only 5 and 6 are colored. This is the difference of sets. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. మీకు వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, పక్కన బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కడం మర్చిపోకండి. నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి ఒక్క వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్గా వస్తుంది. మీకు కానీ ఏమైనా డౌట్లు ఉంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లోని టైప్ చేసి నాకు సెండ్ చేయండి. మీరు కొట్టే ప్రతి ఒక్క లైక్ నాకు సపోర్ట్గా ఉంటుంది ఫర్దర్ వీడియోస్ చేయడానికి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, మళ్ళీ ఒక కొత్త వీడియోతో నేను మీ ముందుకు వస్తాను. అంటిల్ దెన్ బాయ్.